Yo baby, we're here in Prague with the main man, Kore. He's a local guy here, and in this video we're going to be showing you guys some of the best spots in Prague. So Kore is going to give us great tips about Prague, you know, where to go, where not to go. All right, so now we're in Old Town Square. You can see, what is this one, Kore?
Old Town Square.
This one behind us? You said it's like really famous, isn't it?
And yeah, that's the church.
Okay, that's the church.
I don't know the name.
Then you got another one here, which a lot of tourists, they come.
Clock Tower.
Yeah, they come to just like watch the clock go,
Yeah,
right?
the clock go around.
Yeah, better tourist guides for you there.
And yeah, here that way we have the Dolua Street.
Which way?
That way, if you go
Okay.
that way, we have the Dolua Street. It's like one of the best night game.
Oh really? Is it that way?
Yeah, that way, Dolua Street. You
Okay.
have different clubs there.
Well, it's got Dollar Street.
Dolua Street.
Dollar.
Dolua.
Dolwa.
Yeah, Dolua.
Sounds like dolmeh. You know, like dolmeh we have that food.
The food? No, what is
Have
that?
you heard of dolmeh?
No.
It's like Greek, Persian, might be Turkish as well.
It's like dolma.
Dolmeh, it's like this leaf with like rice and
yeah,
like,
with the rice. Yeah, dolma.
yeah, dolmeh, right? All right, guys, when you come to Prague, check out Dolmeh Street. Have some dolmeh, eat some dolmeh, get the energy, then do a bit of dolmeh game.
What are you? An idiot sandwich.
Yeah. So this place, Old Town Square, is great for meeting tourists. Here is actually like the easiest approaches. You would do some of your easiest approaches in this area. Usually girls have nothing to do here. You know, they're walking around, exploring. So in the last couple of days, I did a boot camp here, and what we found is in the Old Town, most of the instant dates happen because girls, they come here for a few days, or even local ones, like they got nothing to do. Like you're a local
exactly.
person, right? If you got nothing to do, where are you gonna go? To
Yeah.
hang out and just chill.
You will just walk around somewhere here on Charles Bridge.
Exactly,
Where
right?
else to go?
Yeah, that's where you would go to hang out, right?
Yeah.
So in the what they call the PUAL, that's where what's that place called? Václav Square.
Yeah, Vaslavsky Namesty to Palladium.
Yeah, to Palladium. That's the PUAL because it's shaped like an L, and that's where you're gonna get girls going shopping. You're gonna get them like, you know, maybe they're going from work or whatever, coming and going from work, and that's where it would be like slightly more challenging approaches, wouldn't it?
Exactly. Yeah, they're
Yeah.
usually in a rush to the office or way to meet their friends or something.
Yeah, meet their Tinder dates. And in that area, your approach is going to have to be better. Now, the volume is better there. You're going to see more attractive girls there. You're going to see more quality, more volume. So I would go there to warm up, you know, to get into the right state of mind. And in general, if you want to get more approaches in, that's the place to be, because that's where you're going to see the absolute stunners. All right, so we were just talking about logistics and where the best places are in Prague. So Kore, what would you recommend to the guys when they come in here? What areas should they stay? Because my apartment is right next to the Palladium, which is quite good. Last time I was staying next to like Václav Square. That was pretty sick as well. I think actually that side is better because it's more bars and stuff for dates.
Yeah, and I feel like Prague 1 itself, it's a good good area to live in. Also, they could check out IP Pavlova. If
Where's
they're
that?
IP Pavlova, it's in Prague too, and
Okay.
but it's also a very good area. Lots of bars and a few clubs as well.
Oh yeah. I went
Like,
there last time.
yeah.
That's
And
where,
it's cheaper compared
Oh, okay.
to
So
this
Prague 2
area.
is cheaper.
Yeah, Prague 2 is cheaper.
Okay, that's cool, man. And Old Town, it's you see like near Palladium, Václav.
Oh yeah.
That's Prague 1, isn't it?
Yeah, Vaslavsky, Namesty, Old
Okay.
Town. Around
Where's
here is
Namesty?
Prague 1. Vaslavsky Namesty. That's
Oh,
the
Václav Namesty.
yeah. That's the mistake. Where the metro station is.
All right, so you can see behind me, Kore is in the interaction, and one thing that he's doing wrong is he's standing too far away. So what I would recommend for you guys doing an approach is make sure the proximity is man to woman. So what I'm trying to say here is that you know, you're standing at a distance where you would stand with your best friend. So it's not fucking 2 meters away, right? Just imagine you're talking to your best friend. How would you stand?